The exodus has triggered alarm bells in Beijing. Even as the state-sponsored media denies that foreign firms are leaving, the communist government stepping up efforts to ensure firms stay back. China is no longer the manufacturing destination. That's the understanding one arrives at when reports of companies packing up their bags and leaving the Chinese mainland to emerge thick and fast. The ripple effect of South Korean electronics giant Samsung shutting its smartphone shop in Guangdong Province's Huizhou in 2019 is still being felt. Reports suggest that 60% of local businesses and ancillary units have downed their shutters in the area ever since the Samsung plant closed. More recently, technology giant Apple announced that it could start manufacturing iPads in Vietnam. This would be the first time it produces a significant number of tablets outside of China. Companies like the Chinese firm Goertek, which are contract manufacturers for Apple, began manufacturing AirPods Pro, AirPods Max and HomePod Mini in Vietnam. Foxconn, another contract manufacturer for Apple, invested $270 million in a plant to manufacture laptops and tablets in Vietnam.